Welcome to this top floor, corner Birkdale unit in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. I'm Denise with Homes by the Turgeons. You'll enjoy breathtaking views and beautiful sunsets in this nicely furnished turnkey condo. You will also enjoy maintenance-free living in one of Florida's best resort communities. Let's go take a closer look. For more information on this property or any other property in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, contact us at homesbytheturgeons.com. Be sure to like and follow us too.